Morning students, today we will see our skill development practical called hydraulic actuator. So hydraulic actuator in which we will see a door closer. So you might have seen somewhere. So this is attached to this big block is attached to the frame, and the another end which is smaller end with the linkages, it is attached to the door, so that when door will uh, open, then it will automatically close because of this hydraulic action which is happened inside the uh, this piston and cylinder cavity. Okay, so first we will try to see how we can disassemble it. For disassembly, so what you can do, uh, when you uh, here you can see there is one cap is there. So cap is like this. Same cap is at back side. Intentionally I have kept somewhat loose so that we can open easily. Now you can see the piston is inside. Now piston is this side. Okay, and this spring, whatever the spring you can see, so it this spring is get, so because of this spring action you can see this motion happens. Okay, so I can keep outside the spring. Next part, I need to open this arrangement, lever arrangement. So for that purpose I will keep at one end and let me check. Yes, so if I open this, it will open like this. We will again disassemble later on. Then uh, here is another cap. So it is a lever side. Opposite to lever side there is another cap. So not, it is on lever side. So we are opening. Yes. So you can see I am opening. Yes. So this is the cap which is at the end of lever side. You can see this is the lever side. Okay. And once you open it, then you can easily remove the another part which is like this. And you can see the piston part. You can open like this. So it is a cylinder casing. You can see. Then the piston, if you look at the piston construction, so it is uh, threaded at one side so that it will travel uh, on the this thread. Okay, it will travel like this. Okay, as per our requirement. Next part, that is the lever. So I will not open this end, but I will open another the middle part. This is very simple. So जो simple है, that will I will try to open. Okay, yes. So it is joined like this. Okay. So I will show you with camera how many components are there. So you can see, if I placed properly, just I will. So this is the piston arrangement. Sorry, casing. Then this is piston. And if you look at the piston is having cavity, so in that cavity spring can easily insert. Okay, so I will keep like this only so that we can understand. Then this is threaded portion, you can call it has a gear. I will keep like this. Then two end cap. These are the two end cap. This is the side cap. This is the side cap. Okay, how you can recognize end cap and side cap? End cap is having uh, two hole like two grooves on both sides, while the side cap, which is only having one hole throughout hole. Okay, then lever 1 and lever 2. I have not opened this end. Okay, let it be. And these are the small nuts which is used to fix. Okay, so how many components are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the two numbers. 6, 7, 8. You can also call this one is 9. Okay, then 10, 11. Okay, these are the 11 components are used. And you can see for cylinder part, there is, you can see a small hole is there. That small hole is used for lubrication purpose. Okay, oil अगर कम ज़्यादा होता है तो you can open this screw and fill the oil. Okay, so it is all about, and if you look at from side view, it look like this. Okay, तो साइड व्यू से अगर हम ये सारे कंपोनेंट अगर रखते हैं तो साइड व्यू से ये ऐसे कंपोनेंट दिखेंगे. Threaded part, then screw, that is gear components, two caps, one side cap, और ये लीवर मैकेनिज्म. ओके, तो ये सारे पार्ट है. these are the different parts which are used in hydraulic actuator. Okay, now once it is disassembled, the next part is to take the dimensions. For dimension purpose, I have one scale with me. Okay, but the dimensions are already there in file on Microsoft Teams. Okay, so you can take the dimension from that file. That will be, if you are willing to measure, then you can measure the distance. Yes, you can see here how much it is, near about 14.5 mm. 14.5 mm, uh, the exact size. Okay. Then if you measure the height, it is near about 5.5, and height of the base is near about 10 mm. Okay, then the diameter, you can measure the diameter of each uh, side. Before that, if you measure the diameter of this piston, then with some clearance you can, same diameter will be there. So how much diameter we will see from the top? So it is near about 35 mm diameter. And let's see the length. Length is having near about 80 mm length. Okay, and 80 mm length, and these are the threads. You can leave near about 15 mm from one side and 15 mm from other side, and have threads in between. The length of the thread is near about 20 mm, and pitch, if you take the pitch, is near about 2 to 3 mm pitch between each thread. Okay, so it's about the piston. Let's see the spring. The length of the spring when it is not compressed, it is near about 13.5 mm. ये total 15, sorry, 130 mm, sorry, 130 mm. Okay, so 10 mm, यस 130 mm। तो अब तक का डायमेंशंस हमने जहाँ mm बोला वहाँ सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए था। लेट्स चेक वंस अगेन। सो दिस डायमेंशन इज 35 mm diameter, okay, and if you measure the pitch of the spring, so it's near about 5 mm pitch, okay, ये दिख रहा है क्या? 5 mm pitch is there for the spring, and diameter of the spring is nothing but the inside diameter। ये आप अगर इसका inside diameter अगर देखोगे, we have not measure inside diameter, so it is a 25 mm inside diameter, and this spring is easily inserted inside this, okay. So you can measure the diameter of the spring also, it is exactly 20 mm, okay. So these two dimensions are over. Then it is gear part. So gear part, let me, I have not opened at this end, but we will take uh, total dimensions. Total height is 70 mm। ये मैंने नीचे का थोड़ा सा छोड़कर पकड़ा है। So it is above 75 mm, 75 mm total height, and the diameter of this end, let me check, थैंक यू। तो इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा रखता हूँ ताकि मैं डायमेंशंस गिन सकूँगा। यस, ओके। तो ये डायमेंशंस इसके लगभग 30 mm का ये साइज है, 30 mm, ओके। तो ये जो इसका जो थ्रेडेड पार्ट है, दैट इज थ्रेडेड पार्ट इज इक्वल टू द डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस, ये जो केसिंग है उसका डायमेंशन के हिसाब से होगा। तो हम उसका ही डायरेक्ट डायमेंशंस लेते हैं, ओके। सो let me check how much length of the gear. So it is 20 mm, it's 20 mm length of the gear, and width और इसका diameter अगर देखेंगे approximate I am taking, so approximate 15 mm will be there, okay, 15 mm हो सकता है। तो exact अगर आपके पास वर्नियर है तो you can measure accurately। So this is the part, and let's see the two caps, how much dimension of these two caps are there. So its dimensions are 35 mm, both two quantity, and this side cap is having dimension of 30। ये स्मॉलर दिख रहा है आपको, अगर इसको ऐसे रख कर देखेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि इट इज इन स्मॉलर साइज, ओके। ये छोटा साइज है, सो 30 mm 35 mm, तो ये सारे चीज़ें होगी। देन इट इज़ अ लीवर 1 you can say। लेट मी चेक द लेंथ ऑफ द लीवर, इट इज़ 15 mm यहाँ पे, और फिर 15 सेंटीमीटर यानी 150 mm, और लगभग और 40 mm, तो 190 mm यानी 19 सेंटीमीटर इज द लेंथ। एंड दिस प्रोफाइल, दिस इज समवॉट डिफरेंट प्रोफाइल, ये इधर से बड़ा है, इधर से छोटा है। सो आई विल टेक द डायमेंशन ऑफ वन एंड, दैट इज 35 mm, ये हायर साइड है, और लोअर साइड अगर देखते हैं तो ये मैं इसको ऐसे रखता हूँ, लोअर साइड इज 20 mm। सो वन साइड इज 35 mm, another side is 20 mm। So this is the profile of lever। Next lever profile is having one U pin at one end, okay, and another end is also U pin which is attached to the hinge, okay, एक hinge type है। तो let me know how much diameter of this one end। So it is having diameter of 15 mm, यहाँ का same will be dimension of this another side. And let me check how much distance is there between center to center, that is 15 centimeter, 150 mm center to center distance. And let me check how much dimension of this hinge. Dimension of this hinge is one, that is 60 mm, you can see. And width, ये width देखेंगे how much it is. तो width is near about 15 mm width. Okay, दो होल बना सकते हो उसमें, so that it will get clamp on door. Okay, so all this, and these are the small nuts and screw, so you can take the approximate dimensions and you can draw. So this is the way how we can measure the dimensions of this hydraulic actuator called door closer. Okay, so next part will come, that in which we will going to assemble it. Before that, I need to measure the dimensions of this hole, which is equal to this threaded part of this cap. Let me check. The outer dimension is near about 35 mm. Okay, and inner dimension, inner ID is near about 20 mm. Okay, so inside diameter is 20 mm and outside ये जो सर्कल दिख रहा है बाहर का, so that is 35 mm. Okay, so how we can assemble it? Very first, that is whatever the piston you can see, so piston और spring एक तरफ रखो, and you can insert this piston in a such a way that the bottom threaded part will be at the base, so that अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, ये कैमरा I will keep here and I will show you. तो आप ये देख रहे हो, तो ये ऐसा जाएगा. यू कैन सी, आप ये थ्रेडेड, थोड़ा सा थ्रेडेड पार्ट आपको दिख रहा है. ये थ्रेडेड पार्ट यहाँ आने के बाद you can insert this gear. Okay, so that once you move this gear, देखो ये एक्चुएट हो रहा है. Okay, तो ये होने के बाद side cap will be there here. So this is the side cap. I will insert this side cap and I will just try to close it from side. Okay, yes, it is get closed. Now you can see, once I will rotate this part, it get actuate. Okay, so next part is side cap. So थोड़ा सा इसको अंदर ढकेल देते हैं, so that I can easily, yes, close. अभी देखो, if I willing to push it, it is very hard. तो ये मशीन से प्रेस फिट होता है, तो ये मैं इसको बाहर निकालता हूँ, क्योंकि ये, तो अज्यूम कर लो ये अंदर ही है, एंड देन आई विल क्लोज द एंड कैप. ओके, तो ये होने के बाद वी नीड टू जॉइन लीवर मैकेनिज्म. ये ऐसा था. ओके, लीवर जो है, एक जो ओपन एंड था, जिस वो यहाँ पे ऐसे रख दिया मैंने. ये रखने के बाद मेरे पास एक स्क्रू है, ये स्क्रू छोटा वाला, उसको मैंने लगा दिया. दिस इज द वे बाय विच आई कैन मैनेज दिस लिंक. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, आई हैव टू अटैच दिस लीवर टू द मेन कंपोनेंट. सो यहाँ पे मैंने अटैच कर दिया. मेरे पास एक स्क्रू है और उसको मैंने ऐसे लगा दिया. So this is the way by which we can assemble it. Okay, so all this part is related to hydraulic actuator, friends. and I hope you understood. And in examination, what examiner used to ask, and in what you have to do in an examination part. In examination, you need to disassemble first. Once you disassemble, then examiner will come and ask different question about the, if he may ask about the question related to spring, question related to any components, and uh, from that he may ask for manufacturing this particular component, what kind of process you need to do. Okay. While drawing, what kind of precaution you have taken, which kind of software you have used, if it is uh, software based. Okay. Otherwise, if one-to-one practical will be there at that time, you need to show actual disassemble part. Once the questions get over, then you can again disassemble the whole unit, and you may leave the practical slot. So it's all about how we can do our practical related to skill development hydraulic actuator, in which we have taken component called door closer. So it's all about from my side. If you are having any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.